Welcome back to Primetime News, and a very special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com and those of you watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. First up this evening, the St. Catherine Fire Department is sounding an alarm to residents in the parish this evening about the uptick in bushfires and house fires in the parish as temperatures continue to soar across the island. The parish now holds the record for the most fires in the country since the start of the year. Councillors at the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation are struggling to cope with the intense heat. Where ceiling fans fall short, the portable ones come in handy. This is a representation of the increasing temperatures and humidity the island has been experiencing over the past few months. But something unique is happening in St. Catherine, an increase in fires, and the fire department has attributed the situation to the heat. While there is no clear indication that temperatures in St. Catherine are higher than other parishes, head of the St. Catherine Fire Department, DSP Patrick Callum, says residents should take heed.
So we have to inform our persons in our constituency to be much more careful now, especially when they are lighting fires or rubbish. Not only that the heat is on, but I was getting an update from the Med Office that we're going to experience extreme windy than usual, strong winds than normal because of a trough coming from the Caribbean.
Coupled with the heat and wind, the parish is also undergoing a dry spell, which also spells trouble for the fire department. As a result, DSP Callum says St. Catherine now holds the record for the most fires reported in the island since the start of the year.
Over the past years, normally it would be Kingston and St. Andrew, which will have the bulk of the bushfires and most of the incident. But for the past years now, St. Catherine has now become the leading parish bushfires, structural fires, and third in accident and everything. So we're on the top of the list with all of these disasters where they come on to fire, bushfires, structural fires, and also motor vehicle accidents. So we have to be more careful.
In May, there were 300 fires in the parish. And then by June, over 530 fires were recorded. Of that number, 139 were bushfires.
And when it comes to medical emergency, that's with the ambulance response, it is 98. And malicious motor vehicle accidents, 15 for the period. And special service, 30. When we speak about special service, we speak maybe like oil spills and some of these things which we will have to respond to.
The fire department says it is prepared to work with the municipal corporation to host public education seminars aimed at reducing the number of fires in the parish.